by a million miles. The most difficult point was day one. I just found myself in my tent at 6 p.m. before it was even dark because I just couldn't be outside anymore. My name is Greg, and about a year and a half ago, I decided to disappear for a month, hop on my bike and cycle nearly 2,000 kilometers from Whistler, British Columbia, to San Francisco in California. Day one, you set off, your hopes are high, you've got, everything packaged away super neatly and you're ready to get on the road, and within 2 kilometers of me setting off, it started raining. And it did not stop raining for the next 58 kilometers until I reached where I was staying that night. It just didn't stop. I didn't have a chance to recover, to kind of think about my first day. I was within a suitable distance where I could give up, where I could say, okay, I'll just cycle back home, it's only 60K, and I'll try again some other time. And I didn't, which I'm so happy for, because I knew then that if I could get through that first day, I could get through any other day that follows. I feel like this trip was really the chance for me to see what I was capable of from an emotional perspective and physically. I hadn't cycled before, I hadn't camped before, I was well and truly out of my comfort zone. And it just gave me the opportunity to see people from a completely different way of life from what I know, completely different. And there's a very particular type of kindness that people have for you whenever you arrive at their front door or outside their shop and you're soaking wet and you're tired and all you want is a small something. They acknowledge that vulnerability in you and that sort of, just that need for human kindness really, yeah. And they'll offer it so freely and so openly, and they understand you have nothing to offer in return, so they don't ask for anything in return. It's a really incredible thing to see. And the fact that human kindness and human understanding stretches in all different directions, in all different ways.